Hello everybody and happy crochet season. At least here in the US it's starting to get colder and I know a lot of us are picking up our hook and our needles to start some fun winter projects. My name is Erin from Juniper and Oaks. I'm a crochet pattern designer and I love to host crochet-alongs. You may know me from the Nordic Winter Afghan, a corner-to-corner CAL, or the Mosaic Nordic CAL. With both of those blanket projects, I collaborated with other designers in order to create these beautiful blankets that you could crochet along with us. This year, I'm excited to bring you another winter CAL, this time designed completely by me. This one I'm calling the Nordic Star blanket, and it's a mosaic crochet technique. Although this blanket looks like it's really difficult to crochet, it's not. It uses the overlay mosaic crochet technique, which requires 2 simple stitches in order to create this intricate color work. This crochet along is perfect for any crocheter, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. Not only will you be learning the overlay mosaic crochet technique, you will also be creating a beautiful heirloom blanket that will be passed down from generation to generation. I love to go thrift shopping, and whenever I'm there, my heart gets broken when I see bins and bins of blankets that people have crocheted that get tossed to a thrift store to be sold for $2. This blanket is going to be completely different than that. Your family is going to be wanting to pass this blanket down from generation to generation. People will be fighting over who's going to get this blanket. You'll be able to crochet this whole blanket before Christmas time so you can gift it to a wonderful family member that you love. And if you just want to keep this blanket to yourself, no worries, I won't tell anyone. So this crochet along is going to be run a little bit different than the CALs I've ran in the past. For this one, you're going to need to purchase your ticket, and then the pattern is going to be released section by section until the end, where we're going to create the envelope border around the whole thing. The pattern includes charts and written instructions for the segment released week by week. There'll also be video tutorials, pictures, and other helps like that. If you purchase your ticket before the crochet along actually begins, you'll get a discounted price as well as a few freebies. So get your yarn ready because the crochet along starts September 18th. Get your ticket now at juniperandoaks.com.